What happens to living creatures when they stay in space for a long time? China is trying to answer that by sending mice into space. And this experiment could shape the future of human survival beyond Earth. Welcome to Digilink, where technology meets the future. Today we're looking at a fascinating breakthrough in space biology from China's latest manned mission. During China's Shenzhou mission, 4 laboratory mice were sent into space as part of a biological experiment. Recently released footage shows the mice active, healthy, and adapting well to the microgravity environment. Their space habitat maintained a stable temperature of around 26 degrees Celsius and included an automated airflow system that keeps the environment clean by pushing waste and loose particles away. Mice are one of the most important model organisms in life sciences. Their genetics are surprisingly similar to humans. They reproduce quickly, and scientists can study biological changes in them much faster. That makes them perfect for understanding how space affects living bodies. These weren't random mice. They went through intense selection tests. Researchers tested their physical strength, endurance, and grip using rotating exercise equipment. They were also exposed to motion-based tests to check resistance to space-related nausea. Behavioral tests were done too, including maze navigation and stress response analysis. Only the most adaptable mice were selected. In microgravity, bodies behave very differently. Muscles weaken, bones lose density, and stress responses change. Scientists are collecting data on how these mice react to long-term weightlessness and confined environments. This helps us understand how life functions without gravity. This research is a stepping stone toward long-duration human missions, like living on the moon or traveling to Mars. If scientists can understand reproduction, growth, and survival in space, it opens the door for permanent human presence beyond Earth. These astronaut mice might be small, but their mission could shape humanity's future in space. Subscribe to Digilink for more tech and space breakthroughs. Because the future isn't coming, it's being built.